The goal of a normal holiday is to recharge. Our goal is to use every single second. So our motto has always been: wake up, get in the car, go! That's our kind of recharge, and this is the story of how it all happened. We arrived in the dark, but we woke up to this. We spent the morning exploring our temporary home. The villa was perfect, too perfect to leave it. You can only sit by the pool for so long. Eventually, you have to break the silence and make a splash. This was the final deep breath, the quiet domestic moment inside the villa before the real exploration began. We left the house and jumped into the car. We wanted to see the real island, not just the view from a balcony. And then we found it, the open sea. After one look at the crystal clear water, we decided we need to swim. Even a difficult pathway through the stones can't stop us. Day 1 is a success. Cold water and best friends. This is the memory we wanted to keep. The next morning we headed into Paphos. Busy, bright and full of life. We walked towards the castle, leaving the noise behind. It's strange to think that this small fortress was once the key to defending the whole port. Now it just defends the view. But the castle was just a gateway. The real history was hiding behind it, the archaeological park. This is what makes Cyprus special. You don't visit history in a dark room. You experience it in the sunshine, with the sound of the sea in the background. The lighthouse marked the end of the path. We had seen the city and the sea. Now the green mountains on the horizon were calling our names. The road started to twist and turn. It got colder with every kilometer, but the views were only getting better. Looking down into the valley, the coast felt like a distant memory. It was the whole new world up here. We reached the highest point of Cyprus, and it felt surreal. An hour ago we were sweating in the sun, now we are shivering in the forest. Standing here, we realized how small this island is, yet how diverse. You can fit so much into one day in Cyprus if you just keep moving. However, we had one little adventure left for tomorrow. On the last day, we wanted to enjoy the heat one more time before coming back home. This moment with our friends was already perfect to finish our journey, but we couldn't leave the island without visiting its most famous spot for watching the sunsets. We were right on time to enjoy the final sunset in one of the most photographed places of the whole Cyprus. Looking back, we packed a lot into a few days, ending up happy but physically tired. We felt the island, from the bottom of the sea to the top of the mountain.